Hello and welcome to Owen Turner News Reports Daily. Today we'll be talking about air pollution in Hong Kong. Air pollution in Hong Kong is considered to be a serious problem. Visibility is currently less than 8 kilometers for 30% of the year. Cases of asthma and bronchitis have increased due to poor air quality. Hello everyone. Today I'm here to talk to you about air pollution in Hong Kong.
What was the Hong Kong Medical Association having to do?
Well, the Hong Kong Medical Association estimated that air pollution can cause asthma and even raise the risk of cardiorespiratory death by 2 to 3%.
So, Mr. Kwong, based on last year's results, what was the mortality rate from vehicle pollution on heavy travelled roads?
Last year, residences 50 metres from a main road and 100 metres away from a freeway. 60% of the people there caught illnesses. Also, the roadside pollution levels are responsible for 90,000 hospital admissions and 2,800 premature deaths every year.
Some rumours are going around saying that Chief Executive Donald Tsang thinks the total opposite. Is that true?
Well, on his side of the argument, he declared that the life expectancy is among the highest in the world and that Hong Kong is a friendly and safe place to live.
Okay, well, thanks for coming.
Okay. Oh, and one last thing. Nothing's going to make the air better unless you help. Even as early as 2000, negative impact to the Hong Kong economy, including cardiorespiratory disease, was in excess of 11.1 billion Hong Kong dollars. Research by 3 universities estimates that the pollution is costing Hong Kong about $21.2 billion a year in hospital admissions. In addition, about 1,600 deaths a year might be avoided if air quality improves. Pollution contributes to global warming via the greenhouse gas effect. What happens is that the sun's rays enter the Earth's atmosphere and are deflected off by the Earth's surface, but these greenhouse gases don't allow the sun's rays to escape there, thereby gradually heating up the Earth. All types of transport which burn fossil fuel release hydrocarbons, nitrogen oxides, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and water. Of these types of transport, cargo ships are one of the worst causes of air pollution, as they use diesel fuel which releases additional toxic waste into the air in the form of sulfur dioxide. A single cargo ship produces the same amount of emissions as 350,000 cars per hour. Closer to home, pollution here in DB is directly affected by petrol golf carts, which aren't as green as you think. One golf cart produces the same amount of pollution as 250 cars going by. In an effort to fight this problem, Discovery Bay has introduced new solar-powered golf carts. Every once in a while, Discovery Bay International School has been doing something called a walking bus as part of Green Week, which encourages children to walk to school rather than take transport. Maybe, in other parts of Hong Kong, we could start, as a community, doing a walking school bus or a Green Week in ESF schools, which increases awareness and eventually leads to a greener environment. Cigarette smoke is a huge cause of pollution within confined areas. Cigarette smoke can cause particle levels in a smoking area to rise by more than 1.6 million particles per litre. Another cause of pollution is coal-burning electricity stations. Incinerators release dioxins into the air. These are some of the most toxic chemical pollutants known. Cigarette smoke is known to directly cause lung cancer. Carbon monoxide and nitrogen dioxide is known to cause cardiovascular disease and have been linked as causes of respiratory problems such as asthma. Acid rain is produced when fumes from factories get absorbed by the clouds. When it rains, the pH of the rain is lowered due to the gases mixing, which makes the rain acidic. As you can see from the photo, acid rain kills plant life and erodes stonework. Clear the Air is a charity organization committed to improving the air quality in Hong Kong. Clear the Air has been acting as a volunteer-based group, helping to try and make the air better in Hong Kong. It has been running for 12 active years, having been established as a charity in 1997 to address the city's poor air through important missions. On their website, they encourage you to get involved with all the missions you can do to make Hong Kong a cleaner and safer environment. It's not going to happen unless you get involved. Owen Turner, News Reports.